Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Sendowl to create a monthly subscription service. The first thing you want to do after creating your Sendowl account, you're going to tap on Products from the left-hand menu option. After selecting Products, you're going to tap on Add New in the top right-hand corner, and from there you have a few options. Let's say for example you would like to sell coaching services. You could select coaching services right there, and you could put in the name, and you can scroll down and you can add in different information. And let's say for example you don't want to sell coaching service, you want to sell some other form of subscription. You could simply select subscription right here, and after selecting subscription you could put in the product name. So let's say for example I'll be selling consultation, so I'll type in consultation right here. After doing that, you're going to put the price that you would like to charge. So let's say for example $50, and you can see the frequency, and we'll select days right there, and you can change it to months. After doing that, we'll select every month. So you can see right there, and you can select the duration, whether it be ongoing or occurrence. We're going to be selecting ongoing, so that means that it would be the client that would need to cancel the subscription. After doing that, you can scroll down and you can see subscription type, whether this will allow them access to different digital files that you can create on Sendowl, or sell tangible products, that mean physical products or so on, or you like to sell a service. So you can tap on sell service, and from there you can select the service that you would like to sell. By scrolling down, you can put in information about the different service or so on that you would like to sell. What I would recommend you do is select redirect the buyer to a URL. After selecting redirect buyer to a URL, if it is a course you like to sell or it is consultation like what I'm suggesting, all you'll need to do is go onto Calendly, and you can use Calendly or any other booking app for completely free. Then you'll go over to the top left hand corner, for example if you're using Calendly, and you could select one-on-one. After selecting one-on-one, from here you could give the service a name. So you could type in consultation for example. So let me do that real quick. After doing that, you'll scroll down. You can set up the duration of the service. Then you can set up the location, whether it be Zoom, phone call, or in person. So let's say for example it will be on Google Meet. You can select Google Meet. Then from there you could connect your Google account. You can use any one of those platforms to keep the meeting on. After doing that, you can set up your availability, and after doing that you will tap on create. So I'm just going to be using a service that I have created already. So we'll simply copy the link. After you have copied the link, you'll go back into Sendowl and you would paste the link right there. After you have pasted the link, you'll scroll down and you can see if you like to add a trial period, meaning let's say you like to give them a 7-day free trial period, you could add that right there. Then you will add a cover image for your service by tapping on add image. So I'll just be adding a random image for example's sake as my cover image. After you have done that, you can scroll back up and you could select advanced options, and from there you can see different options that you can also edit. And by the way, if it is a case that you wanted to sell a course using Sendowl, I would recommend that you go onto Gumroad, and Gumroad is another platform that you can use for completely free. You would go onto Gumroad and you would create an account, and from there you could select products, and you could select new product, and you could create a course. After creating the course, you'll simply paste in the link right here in redirect URL on Sendowl, and then once persons make their purchase through Sendowl, they'll be redirected to the Gumroad link. So after doing this, we're just going to put in the category. I'm just going to call it test. Then we'll tap on save and continue in the top right hand corner. After selecting save and continue, from there you can either choose to send out the payment link, or you could add it onto Shopify. So we'll tap on Sendowl 2.0. Then you can either add it onto your storefront and you can share the link, or you can tap on payment link and you could share the payment link. Let's say we were to select storefront, and we're just going to tap on add to your Sendowl storefront. Then you'll tap on view your Sendowl storefront, and you can scroll down and you can see the different products that I've created. So if I were to tap on preview, you can see my storefront right there. So persons will now be able to go onto our storefront, tap on the product, then from there they'll be able to make a purchase by tapping on subscribe, put in their payment information, and then they'll automatically be redirected to Calendly or Gumroad after making the purchase. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.